guys, we're back. Sheila and
Jenny Rose here.
Yes, and we have two of our friends, good friends, and also our officers for the Pickleball Addicts Las Vegas.
No other than
The duo,
Dimple and
Josh.
So, you were very involved in this kasi gumamit tayo ng app for Josh's recommendation para random yung pagpa-partner up ng mga teams. So, what do you think, guys? Do you think everyone's happy about their, partners and the way it's going?
of course, as you can see, right? It's spreading.
Everybody's happy because it's like first time like a mini tournament. It's a good experience for everyone, and it's also a good preparation for the upcoming big tournament, which is this coming May.
Yeah.
But that app that I use help a lot.
Yes.
So that in that way they can see if they are compatible to each other, playing with each other. So
Thank you for that.
Yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, thank
And
you.
you know what, Jen? Random na nga, nag-partner pa rin sila.
Pero we're unfortunate, right? Just kidding. Sabi ko,
talaga kahit sa team natin.
24 hours. So what does that mean? They're really meant for
They're
each
really meant to
other,
be.
right?
Parang,
Di lang
oh
sa
my gosh.
di lang sa love life, pati sa pickleball.
How nice naman.
Kinikilig
Okay,
eh, no?
so guys, tell us a little bit about how you started.
Yes,
You started
please.
with us, but tell us a little bit about,
How we started.
Yeah, with Pickleball.
We started, it was random sa it was Kuya Wendell, sabi niya, oh, Josh, let's play pickleball. I said, what is pickleball?
Yeah.
We didn't know about pickleball. Then I said,
Wala kami alam.
thanks to Sir Emil. I think Sir Emil were here. Sila Sir Emil, sila Kuya Art.
Introduced
No one knew this
Las
pickleball.
Vegas.
We played at Cougar Park.
Yes.
We waited like 30 to an hour
Yes.
just to
You were
play.
like lining up
Yeah.
paddle.
And then I think from there we started playing pickleball. It was me, you, and Derek.
Yes.
Then unfortunately Derek's schedule is not working with
Right.
our schedule. And then it's only 4 of us.
I know.
Me, you, me, Dimple, Sheila, Kuya Wendell. It was
Parang ayaw pa maglaro niyo.
Oh,
Kasi si
like-
Jen, busy siya.
It's really a good
sports.
sport.
Tapos yun, unti-unti, lumalaki na tayo.
As you can see, like kung before and after,
Wow.
I was,
Pickleball sport, yeah.
Ay, sabi
It was
naman.
fun, like,
Just kidding.
yung apat kami, unti-unti naging anim, si Kuya Froy, anak niya.
Hanggang sa dumami na.
So the main part is kami dalawa ni Kuya Wendell kasi Ate Sheila busy. Kami ni Kuya Wendell, sabi ko, bro, nilaro ta, dalawa lang kami. So until like lumaki na yung grupo, which is happy.
You know, speechless ako but it's, hearing all this from them, but it's really bringing back, I know it's like couple months pa lang, no,
Yes.
good memories. Kasi parang we've really seen them na parang, I remember, sabi niya, ayaw yung maglaro.
Actually,
nag-stop ako
ng 1 month.
I know. But now these guys are smasher. If I can use the term.
They've already joined major tournaments also outside of Pickleball Addicts.
Hey.
So yay! But anyway, guys, please invite them to our major tournament and of course, our Las Vegas extravaganza. Yes.
I'm gonna speak sa Kapampangan ako mag-speak na siya sa Bisaya. Karang ganang Kapampangan kang Las Vegas, California, or malapit kang Las Vegas, Agatan ko po kang May 17 kung 18 munta mo kang Cray Grange Park. Masaya ni libre ang entrance ating car show, ating artista, Swan Philippine food, we celebrate Philippine culture. So and also yung mga mag-pickleball na Kapampangan, you're welcome to join us. It's a fun event and it's a very well organized event. And wish us luck and hopefully it's every year.
Okay. And also sa mga Bisaya dara, kung gusto mo ka ng party-party or kaon-kaon, harap na! Yay! Kasi ka ang pagkaon! Artista, mga gwapo, mga lami, pa na! Harap na! Yay! Thank you guys! See you!
Doon this one,
It's gonna be
May 17 and 18. Yung artista si Joshua Garcia.
Thank you.
Thanks! Okay, bye!
Pilipino, ikaw na nga dahil lagi kang nakatawa. Magaling magkasama sa bayanihan ay una. Kaya halika na, isama ang buong pamilya, pati si Lolo at si Lola at ang buong barkada. Sa Fiesta Extravaganza, kakaibang saya ay madarama. Ipagmamalaking Pinoy ka, mahusay at kay kali sa kultura gawang atin. Sa Fiesta sa